What's up, my YouTube family? Many thanks for joining me in this video. Listen, I know I have been missing in action. It's been a minute, but I'm good. I'm back here. I'm back, okay? Let's get things rolling again. As if we never went missing, right? But life has been bishak. But it's been this thing or the other, this happening or the other happening. So having time to sit down, record, edit, work things together with the team, having it uploaded, and how of you? The divaji time kaka. God is good. We're back. So I'm just gonna start in this way, all right? So do you remember this video that I posted? It has to do with how you can update your details on the Avid portal, or maybe even on the DS-160. I'm talking about this video. In fact, this is how the video actually started. So imagine showing up for your US visa interview, and then you are being turned away just because your DS-160 confirmation number and then your SEVIS ID, that is your I-20, the number, they do not match what they have in their system. That can be scary, right? But hold on, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. That is by showing you how to update this DS-160 confirmation number and then your SEVIS ID or your I-20 SEVIS number in their system. That is the new visa portal called the Avid system. So in the video, I would be doing everything step by step so that you can confidently walk into that space, into that US visa interview, fully prepared and confident. So I actually posted this video, this snippet of it on my TikTok, right? Those of you who are not following me on TikTok, just do so. It's just McCray Sogah, just my name. I don't do McCray17, McCray28, McCray blah blah blah. No, it's just McCray Sogah, just my name, and that's it. You're good to go. So I posted this video, and there were a couple of comments, and I just decided to go and read it and just see what people are saying, what people are going through regarding this particular subject, right? And I'm gonna look for the video right now on my channel. I'm talking about my TikTok, right? And I'm gonna read one of the comment about this video that I posted. So I'm heading to my TikTok page, right? Let's see if we can do this together. So this is the video, and one man commented this, all right? He says, man, I'm reading the first one. It says, man, I have happened to be a victim of this. I do not, or I don't even know what to do. And we've been trying to have a chat about this. I was like, really, what happened? And then boom, another one in the chat. It says that this happened to me today, and I almost cried. I sat outside there for over 40 minutes, and all they could tell me, or they could say, is that I go back and create another DS-160. And so I just jumped and I was like, oh, please send me a DM. So this man also came back to reply. He said that they told me that my code number, we're talking about the DS-160 confirmation number. It says they told me that my code number does not match with theirs, basically what they have in the system. So we've been having, couple of back-to-back on this. I was like, oh wow, so you couldn't interview? He said yes. I was like, I'm so sorry. So this lady also kept on asking questions if they were able to do it and all that. And so basically that's it. We are not just, or me, I'm not just talking about anything that doesn't happen. I'm talking about things that they've happened, and if you do not pay attention to most of the things, like the tutorials that I've been giving you guys, the step-by-step details, basically for you to follow, if you have not been following that carefully, you may be a victim of one of them. All these things has to do with the fact that, listen, you made a mistake in your DS-160. You wanted to edit it. Now you made the edit. Whatever you wanted to do, you do it. And I remember mentioning in one of the videos, even in this particular video, that what you have to do after you were able to retrieve this information and you edited it, just create a ticket on your Avid portal. Let the embassy know that, hey, I changed something in my DS-160 and this is the new confirmation code. And so I would like you to change it for me and give them the new code, the new confirmation code, and also attach the page, the confirmation page that came to you, attach that as a proof. That is what I'm saying. And so I'm going to get back to this chat again. And so this lady sent me a chat, right? Let's see if we can get to her chat and see what she's saying. Let's see what she is saying. So I asked her to send me a DM so I can actually understand whatever really that happened. So, hello Ray, I commented on one of your videos and you told me to DM you. I went for my visa interview yesterday, but I wasn't able to get inside to do the interview because I was told that my DS-160, the code, it doesn't match the one I had. And yet, the one I had and my visa fee receipt, they both had the same number. The security guy told me to create another DS-160 and reschedule my appointment. But my worry is, won't they still have the same number in the system because I do not know how to cancel it? The number they have, I don't even have it or know how to get about it. So you could actually just tell that this student or this person clearly doesn't have much idea about what it is going on, right? So just the bottom line of it is that when you change it, when you do a new one, just let the embassy know, right? Don't just get up and do it maybe 2 days later that you have your interview coming up. No, at least a week or something, just do this, all right? Just do it so that you have an ample time for you to even calm yourself down so that you don't go through all those unnecessary pressure, right? So just do this. It is a bad thing. I can't imagine how you guys are even going to deal with it if you were unable to do all this matching barcode thing. You get to the interview and then they tell you that, hey, no, your code doesn't match with what we have for you in our system. So we can't do that. And the reason why they do that is that they needed to have that, or they need to have that so that they go through your background, know what's up with you and all that. Also, regarding all the social media thing that is happening right now, they need to have all these things beforehand so that if they got to do some sort of background check, whatever it is, they have the ample time to do that. So you cannot basically just come with a new DS-160 form that, hey, okay, this is what I have right now. No, they won't allow you, just as these students also reported in my DM or in the comment section. So please pay attention. The video that I did on this, I still have it in the description of this video. So please go over again, watch it. It is very important. I don't want you to listen. You already struggled to, number one, get an admission. Number two, to even probably get a funding. Number three, to even get your I-20. All those visa fees you had to pay, going through all these struggles. You start filling your DS-160, then boom, the system kicks you out. You got to go back. And with all these things happening surrounding F1 visa or even everything, you do not want to waste this opportunity. So make sure that you get it right once and for all. Okay, so if you have any question, once again, please put it up in the comment section. For me, you know me already. I'm always there trying to help you guys out. But if you want to have a session with me for me to take you through everything one by one, you can also book an appointment with me and then we get to talk one-on-one on that. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, of course it's my comeback video, so please give me thumbs up and then just share it if you think you miss me a bit, just share it, all right, so that you'll be a blessing to many other people. Many thanks for joining me in this one. My name is Makwe Sogah. God bless everybody. All right, take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.